Class 2, Subject Maths, Lecture number 12, and our today's topic is Story of Cube. Story of Cube. So first I show you a cube. Look it very carefully. It is a cube. What is this? It is a cube. It has 8 corners. It has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners. And how many faces it has? It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. How many sides it has? It has 12 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 sides. All faces are square in shape. You can see that all faces are square in shape. It has 6 faces and all 6 faces are square in shape. It has corners, so that's why it can not roll. Okay. So now I'll tell you how to draw a cube. Watch it very carefully. You have to take 4 blocks like this horizontally. Now vertically 4 blocks. Like this. You have to draw one square, then take midpoint 1, 2. So this is midpoint. Now from midpoint take 4 blocks and draw one more square. Like this. Okay. Now you have to join all the corners. First this, one, this two, and this one. Like this. So what is this? It is a cube. It is a cube. Now I'll tell you the story. Number 1. It is a cube. Number 2. It has 8 corners. Number 3. It has 6 faces. Number 4. It has 12 sides. Number 5. All faces are square in shape. Number 6. It cannot roll. Now hopefully you have understood it. You have to do this work in your NEET Maths copy and learn it by heart.